In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach folder in Microsoft Outlook Mail Fast 2025 Guide. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook site and sign into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your inbox and you're good to go. From here, decide where you want to add your folder. You can create a brand new message by selecting New Mail, or if you already have a message saved, open it from Drafts. Either option works. Choose whichever fits your workflow. Having the Compose window open is what matters. At the top of the message window, look for the paperclip icon. That's the Attach button. Click it to open your attachment options. You'll see several sources you can attach from. Choose Browse this computer to pick something directly from your device. This opens your system's file picker so you can navigate to the content you want to include. Now select the folder you want to send. Depending on your browser and system, you may be able to select the entire folder directly. Outlook will handle the rest, either preparing the folder as a single compressed attachment or staging it for cloud sharing. If Outlook detects that the folder is large, it may automatically guide you toward a cloud-based option to make sending smoother. Either way, confirm your selection to start the upload. Next, Outlook will ask how you want to share the files. You'll typically see options like send as a OneDrive link or attach as a copy. Sending as a OneDrive link is best for larger folders or when you want to preserve the folder structure and allow recipients to view or collaborate online. Attaching as a copy places a static file in the email. It's convenient, but it has size limits and recipients won't get live updates. Choose the option that matches your needs. If you pick a link, Outlook usually sets appropriate permissions for your recipients, and you can adjust them if necessary. Now wait for the upload to finish. You'll see a progress indicator next to the attachment area. Keep the browser tab open and let it complete. Large folders can take a bit longer depending on your connection. Once it's done, you'll see the attachment chip or the shared link appear in your message. Give it a quick glance to confirm the name looks right and the files are there. That's all there is to it. With your folder attached, your email is ready to go whenever you are.